Hello students, our next topic is chart of depreciation. What do you mean by chart of depreciation? In the organization structure of asset accounting, the chart of depreciation is the highest level of hierarchy which is created at client level. Depreciation calculates the reduction in the value of asset within its useful life such as 3 years, 5 years, 10 years and etc. The chart of depreciation is a list of depreciation areas arranged according to business and legal requirements. SAP provides country-specific chart of depreciation with predefined depreciation areas, that is 0 GB for UK, OUS for the USA. This chart of depreciation serve only as a reference for creating your own charts of depreciation and are therefore not directly accessible in the SAP system. When creating a chart of depreciation, you have to copy the reference chart of depreciation. The chart of depreciation enables you to manage all rules for the valuation of assets in a particular country or economic region. Asset accounting works with the chart of accounts assigned to the company code in SAP S/4HANA Finance. Each company code uses one chart of account and one chart of depreciation. All or several company codes can work with the same chart of accounts and the same chart of depreciation. For creating chart of depreciation, we can go by transaction code EC08 or by path SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, Assets Accounting, Organizational Structures, copy reference chart of depreciation or depreciation areas. सैप में जाते हैं और हम लोग डिप्रिसिएशन एरिया मेंटेन करेंगे. फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग, एसेट्स अकाउंटिंग, organizational structure, copy references for chart of depreciation and depreciation areas. Now click on copy reference chart of depreciation. Then click on copy button. Select here our chart of depreciation is 0 GB. Double click on it and now we will assign our chart of depreciation ZTR1 and then click on continue button. Click on continue button. Do you really want to transport number ranges? Yes. Click on create request. Enter your description. Chart of depreciation. Then click on save button. Continue. Chart of depreciation copied. OK. Now click on continue button and click on completed activities. Come back. Then click on specify description. Click on position. Enter our chart of depreciation and change the name. Chart of depreciation -TRE1. Then press enter and then click on save button. Now click on continue button. Come back.